Let me just second what Secretary Rex, Mr. Chair said. No? Listahan mo talaga ang aming problema. And admittedly, when I came in last July, we were already planning to put up a database for drivers. Naunahan lang talaga kami with this incident. It's an online system with an updating app para dire-diretso po updating po nito. But having said that, Mr. Chair, I think there's also a systemic problem when it comes to listing. Kasi dito po sa TNVS, multi-homing po tayo eh. So there's a lot of duplicity. In fact, when we were initially helping the SWD clean up the list, that was one of our biggest problems. Iba-iba ang listahan na dumarating ko sa amin, tapos pare-pareho pangalan. Minsan, as what correct Secretary Rex pointed out, may nag-iiba lang ng konti. Now what we did, Mr. Chairman, and this ties up with the national ID, we were referring to the national ID for birthday, address, and buti na lang tinulungan rin kami ni LTO, Mr. Chair, na access rin namin yung LTO data. But as what correctly pointed out by Congressman Rodge, a more in-sync system that will put all these things together would make things a lot faster to us. At the time that we were doing this, we had to do it manually. Imagine comparing different lists.
Chairman, Attorney Vigorno, if
Yes.
I can cut you short, no? So basically, you need ma-computerize na yung LTFRB.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so DBM nandito? Nandito ba ang DBM? So baka pwedeng isama natin sa budget yun, i-priority natin. Okay, first priority natin yung computerization yan. Actually, nung si Chairman Guadi sumulat na rin sa akin yan eh.
Yes, sir.
Dahil I think it would be easier on the part of LTFRB, parang Jurassic pa rin yung proseso nila eh.
Yes, sir.
I visited yung office noon. Yung mga file na nakaganon lang. Pag binahain, everything, wala na yun eh. So, DBM, pwede ba natin i-priority yung computerization yan? Upgrade na? I think it's about time na. Biro mo yung ganito, wala tayong data. Same thing din, isama na rin natin yung, saan yung Marina? Kamusta yung computerization nyo? Meron ba kayong IT or what? Software para sa mga data?
Mr. Chair, we have started our computerization last July 2024, but not 100% yet.
So
because
you
we
need
still
additional budget for that?
Yes po.
So DBM, please take note of that. Napaka-importante. Hindi na naman tayo, baka naman mangyari to. Actually, pangalawa na to dahil if you're gonna base it sa nung pandemic, di ba, wala rin tayong data na yun, nanguhula rin tayo, marami rin tayo nasayang. So baka naman pakisabi kay Acting Secretary ng DBM na isama natin sa priority po yung computerization yan.